Understanding volume is just right, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a common phrase you might encounter in everyday English conversations. Volume is just right. Understanding these phrases not only helps in improving your listening skills but also in expressing yourself more naturally. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, volume is just right, is made up of a few key components. First, volume refers to the level of sound produced by something, be it a TV, radio, music player, or even a person's speaking voice. When we say, is just, we're talking about something that is exactly as it should be. Neither too much nor too little. Right, in this context, means correct or suitable. Therefore, when combined, volume is just right communicates that the level of sound is perfectly suitable for the situation. Not too loud and not too quiet. Understanding a phrase is one thing, but knowing how to use it in real-life situations is another. Volume is just right can be used in various contexts. For instance, if you're watching a movie with friends and someone asks if the sound level is okay for everyone, you might respond with, yes, the volume is just right, if you feel the sound level is perfect. This phrase is also useful in feedback situations. Imagine you're at a presentation, and the presenter adjusts their microphone asking if everyone can hear them well. If the sound level is ideal, saying, the volume is just right, gives clear, positive feedback. To fully grasp the usage of volume is just right, practice is key. Try using this phrase in your daily life. Whether adjusting the volume on your devices or participating in discussions about sound levels, use this phrase to express your satisfaction with the sound level. Over time, incorporating such phrases into your English conversations will become second nature. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, volume is just right. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding how and when to use this phrase. Remember, learning to use common English phrases accurately can significantly enhance your communication skills. So, keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use volume is just right in your next conversation about sound levels. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.